You love when I jump right in. I love me, I'm all for it. Show you what devotion is. When you're back, I'll take it slow. Leave you with that afterglow. Show you what devotion is. I play it slow. I push up on this funk and give me miracles. Making noise. Help me lift it right. It's something we control. Standing next to you.
둘, 셋, 막! 자, 안녕하세요. 황세준입니다. 이제 네가 꼭 먹을 때 하고 싶더라고.
맛있는데 이거?
안녕하세요.
저희가 어디까지 할지 모르겠습니다 여러분들.
나도 내가 너무 무섭다.
저 그냥 여기 막 106kg 찍고 막
가와이네. 말 너무 길어요. 빨리 오라고.
감사합니다. 머리 보여달라고? 야, 그냥 갈 때 사진 뜨겠지 뭐. 아니, 굳이 또 그걸 또 보여달라 그러니. 하다 보니까. 아이고, 반갑습니다. 아, 운동 빡셌다. 데레덴. 이거 알아요? 호비형 그거? 호비형 그 시그니처? 아이씨. 머리 보여? 아이씨. 하차. Hope you know that somebody ain't me. 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 Came to terms. Things have changed. My heart gets sincere. I don't need you to explain. Pull the cord. Split the change. There's so much damage going through the motion space. On your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. A night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. 사랑한다 나도. 좀 이따 보자 또. 가기 전에 한 번만 더 보자 우리. 봐봐.
It's actually bigger than I thought. Wow. I love this so much. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I love collecting snow globes and literally like a Christmassy one. Ah, wow. So pretty. Oh my god. This is like such a funny and quirky like Christmas decoration. I really love like unconventional kind of like decorations for anything, like not just Christmas, just in general. So I really liked this. So nice. This is again bigger than I expected. I didn't look at like how many grams it has, and I thought it's smaller. I love the velvety tag. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Wow. And the bow. It's also velvet. Oh wow, so pretty.
인사드리려고 왔습니다. 좀 늦게 왔는데 원래 더 일찍 와서 인사드리고 했었어야 되는데 죄송합니다. 잘 다녀오겠습니다. 이상해요. 갈게요. 하고 그런다고 좀 늦었어요 라이브가. 늦게 와서 죄송하고요. Love you guys.
The remaining 2 covers that had to arrive and they got like mixed up because of a mistake. They're here! Ah, I finally have the entire set! I love this so much. The heel. Oh. Wow. Oh, so stunning. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look. Oh my god. Here, there's something very, very special and like a first for me. So I really wanted to open this on camera. There he is. This photo card, the only one that I was missing from the golden albums. And now a little story time about this photo card. I basically wanted to trade, since from the previous vlog you saw in my unboxing that I basically had doubles of each photo card except this one. Like I had none of this, just doubles of the rest, the other three. And for the first time ever, I tried my luck in one of those Facebook groups for like trading and selling K-pop goods. I mean a local one and also like an international one. And I decided to post the fact that I want this one. And I showed the other two photo cards I could give as trade. And very quickly a girl messaged me and she first told me that she ordered some photo cards, so she probably got them separately as well, not with the albums. And she said she will check if she will get this one as well in the ones that she ordered, and she will let me know. But I think I did this like in a weekend or so, and she told me she will receive her parcel with what she ordered like next week or so. And she actually messaged me back way earlier than she told me she will receive her parcel. And she showed me that she does have this photo card. And the thing that actually made me so emotional is that she basically didn't want to trade, nor did she want to sell it to me. She literally just basically gifted it to me. Like, I even told her, I would feel bad if I don't give you something in return for what you did for me. But she was like, nope, just consider this as a gift for the holidays. So, like, I'm like, what? This is so nice. I'm so thankful and so grateful. If you ever happen to come across this vlog somehow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. After everything that happened in the beginning of this week, we all know, I got inspired by someone on Twitter. I will like try to scroll down on my Twitter and like find that tweet again and show it to you, like to show you that this is not like my original idea. I got this photo frame and I printed this collage, and now let's frame it together since today the collage arrived. This is actually also a nice print. Oops. My favorite thing to do, peel this off. It's not a good sound. Let's take the photo out. Oh. Do I need to? Can I leave it like this? I need to cut a bit out, apparently. Be right back. I have finally cut it enough. Obviously not straight, but we don't talk about that. So let's frame it. Like this. It's here. here is how it looks like. I need to center it a bit more, so I'll figure out how I can do this, you know, here. Play me slow. I wish upon this funk and give me miracles. Let you know how we left and right is something we control. Screaming, I testified, I will survive the test of time. They can't deny our love. They can't divide us. We'll survive the test of time. I promise I'll be right here. Standing in the fire next to you. Oh, you know it's deeper than the rain. It's deeper than the pain. When it's deep like DNA, something take and take away. Hey, take off.
Just call my name out loud. 다시 보랏빛 물들 끈날. 'Cause anytime you want me, I'll be right here where you call me. I'll be.
Они готовы. Постеречение.
아, 나.
Let me show you what I've got. I will first start with what I got from IKEA. Random, but you know, I always have to get one of these when I go to IKEA. I've always wanted to build my own like gingerbread house, and I've always been eyeing this. Like I've always seen this around holiday season, and I finally got it. Also got the glue and the decor kit. I will be making this tomorrow, I hope, because I work on Christmas Day and on the 26th, so I will try to get into the Christmas spirit and pretend I'm celebrating Christmas earlier by doing this. And also this. I'm actually curious how they taste. Oh, they're so pretty! They're heart-shaped! Oh, so nice! Wow, they're so nice. Look how pretty they are. I will try one now. Pretty tasty. Tasty. And I also went to that random store that sells kitchenware. Almost like a thrift shop, but for mostly kitchenware. And I got 3 glasses. 2 are like the same and a different one. I got 2 of these. I like the fact that it's written Jinro on it. I got 2 of these because I like the simple shape and the fact that it's neither too small, neither too like big. Here is the other one. They had a lot more, but 2 were fine. And the one that I like the most, and I think it's so cute, it's this one with Lucy from Peanuts. Isn't she so adorable here? Like with the pink flower and the pink set. And I love this kind of saddle shoes, I think. I love this type of shoes so much. It's so pretty with a little scarf here as well. Oh, so adorable. Finally. Oi! Please tell me, why did I see the instructions on the back of this after I decorated all the pieces? And now I'm waiting for the decoration thingy to dry so I can piece the pieces together. Why? I even looked up YouTube videos on how to build a gingerbread house.